Metal! Hello and good day, kids. It is Friday. How we doing? Todd from ToJu here. Hey, we got a little unboxing to do right here. Got my stuff from Racetrack Scenics. Let me move the camera here and we'll see what we got. Hope everybody's well today. Alright. Alright. Let's see what we get. Kind of excited. Oh, I've been excited for this one. Been talking about this for a while. My Michelin Man. So I got to get this stuff all painted up. I'll probably do a video of this one. So you just pop this stuff off, sand your little nubbas down, and you put her together. It's pretty simple, really, but I'll probably do a video of that. Very cool. Very excited for that. All right. Oh, sweet. Just a Pegasus over track hanging sign. Track girl really liked this one, so I kind of got it for her. You know, again, this one's super simple. Obviously, you just paint it up, put the stickers on either side, and put your base in there. Little wood glue. It does have a thing so you can screw it down so it won't fall over. Very cool. Racetrack Scenics is kind of like, you know, the stateside version of magnetic racing. You don't get any Chewits though. Oh, so this is 2 light towers. You can see there's actually 2 pieces of these here. So then there's 2 LEDs. I'm gonna have to get a 12-volt power supply to wire them in, but a couple light towers. I'm gonna see how I like these. If I like these, I'm gonna add more. And again, it's got the screw down so that the tower won't fall over, which is really a nice feature. Okay, this is a lit overhead gantry. You can kind of see the shape right there. So, and then you put the artwork on and the lights in there and everything will light up. There's your base. So that'll have to get put together and all that. I don't remember. I think it's multiple liveries on this part. I don't recall. I'll have to open it and take a look, but I'm not doing that right now. All right. And our final item. Oh yeah, this is a big lit billboard. I'm gonna do ToJu racing here. And this is gonna go in one of the corners of the tracks there. So there's your light strip and your, you know, your framework and all that. Lots of cutting and painting to do. So that's cool. So very neat, very nice stuff. Very excited to get this together. So there's that quick little unboxing. That's what we got for today. So everybody have a good day, a great Friday, and a good weekend. We'll be doing some live racing later. Cheers. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on.